Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Roborock Qrevo S. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So restarting is different from reformatting or doing a factory reset. This is just a simple on and off to restart and reboot your vacuum if you're having any issues. A factory reset will wipe all of the data and things like that. This won't be the case. This is just a simple on and off in case that helps alleviate any issues you're having or anything along those lines. So to go ahead and restart your vacuum, just hold down the power button. And then you'll notice we have the voice prompt. It's turned off. The lights are off too on the front for those that are seeing that right there. So the lights are off. Can you tell? They're off right there. Now we can go ahead. We can press it again. Now the lights are back on. You can see that right there, they're blinking. And after a couple of seconds, we'll get a voice prompt, or I should say a chime, letting us know that it's turned back on. Super quick, we got the chime right there. It's up and running again. That's it, super simple to restart your Roborock Qrevo S.